Hi. Good afternoon. It's a pleasure to be here today. So let me start off with the motivation of our products. In Thailand, there are government hospitals scan close to about 1,000 image series per day. However, we have only about 4.2% of doctors studying radiology. With this insufficiency, sometimes image scans cannot be read promptly, causing delay in patient treatments, and as well as causing inequality access to good quality healthcare around the country. So with that, I would like to introduce a solution called SkyPACS, which is a mobile solution that can be connected to PACS at hospitals. So SkyPACS, once the patient is scanned, the image will be transferred into PAC archives, which will be made available to SkyPACS to pull on demand for display. Doctors can work more conveniently when they're doing ward rounding because they can see the images easily. Can also work multiple places as mobility is become accessible. He can even work from home and can even share knowledge across easily. So some of our highlights. We design with the security as our main concern, meaning that we leave zero footprint on the mobile device. If the doctor happens to lose the tablet, there's no way that data can be stolen because there's no caching on the systems. So now let's look at some of the features of SkyPACS through our video demos. So here SkyPACS provided dashboard features which filter where the user can pick the slides that they want to see and can go through image slides to see different details. The doctors can also zoom, rotate, or adjust window levels to see different details. We can also split screen to see 1, 2, 4, or 6 to compare a data set. The doctor can also use annotation tools like circle, ruler, or angles, and these tools are providing actual measurements of the parts. Doctors can also type in reports to store in the PAC archives, which can be pulled to see by another doctor later on. SkyPACS also provide 3D viewer, where you can build 3D constructions, selectively built with different layers, like you can see the skin or bone, and other blood vessels and stuff as well. We also have a function called SkyLink, where a doctor can share a case easily by just simple swipe on the tablet screen, and it will automatically show up on the doctor in the near proximities. So, in 2013, we have won multiple awards, both nationally and internationally, which bring us a lot of stream of good publicities. So with that success, we have begun our journey towards commercializations in the last year. With our marketing surveys, we found that existing solution is not quite cost-effective for ASEAN market, and there certainly are needs for lower cost solutions as well as more flexible solutions. And plus, in Thailand, only about 10% of the hospital have mobile solution deployed at the moment. So we believe that the market is totally wide open with the right partners. We have been partnering with a company called JF Advanced Medical Company Limited, and they are one of the major distributors and providers of medical healthcare in Thailand. And JF has agreed to help us with sales, marketing, and 24/7 service to customers, which is great, because at this point, Novitat is still small. It's hard for us to cope with all that. So, with the help of JS and Chulalongkorn Memorial Hospital, who agreed to be our test sites at the beginning, with our respiratory MRI as well, we have tested SkyPACS by doctors, by technicians, and a lot of people in the business. And beginning of this year, about 8 weeks ago, we have landed our first 2 customers, which are Rayong and Samut Prakan hospitals. We are also so fortunate to have opportunity to pitch for Fuji Medical, which is a US-based company, at their annual conference. And from that conference, soon, SkyPACS will be sold under Fuji Medical umbrella with the name of Envision Mobile. The revenue models for us is simple. We sell the solution based on CCU. We also sell software updates, on-site consultations, and service fee. So with that, I would like to conclude my presentation with a few words about Novitat. We started off with the knowledge that there's a lot, and I mean a lot of great ideas happening on campus, and a lot of those ideas will never be heard. So we aim to bring those ideas into marketable innovations. We are a team of entrepreneurs, engineers, and educators who are very much interested in research, technology. And we will gradually transform our research technology into product, like for SkyPACS. Right now we're working on automatic tumor detection, which is rather new for this kind of products. So we plan to create an ecosystems for innovations, to stream of continuous innovation. We bridge the idea and products. So I hope that you will follow us.
Thanks for your time.
Okay, thank you.
Am I right to understand that your scaling will be restricted to the kind of machines that you can connect to? Because your system needs to connect to the MRI scanners and X-ray machines.
Actually, the MRI scanner is connected to something called Picture Archiving and Communication System, or PACS system. We connected to PACS and Radiology Information System to pull on data onto the tablets.
So that's a global standard? Or?
It is, PACS is global standard. There are many PACS, many brands of PACS. And our solution is flexible in a way that we can connect to many PACS.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, with that,